Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and this is announcement for season 2 of Daily DevOps+SRE Challenge series. I'm going to explain what is this series about, what is this season is all about, how to get started, how to get help, how to solve the challenges, and everything about this season 2 Daily DevOps+SRE Challenge series. I'll also explain how much I'm going to earn from this series, what are my benefits, personal benefits from this series, what what are your benefits from this series. So both parties, okay. Is it free? Is it paid? Or what is it all about? First of all, welcome aboard. You have just joined a community of passionate learners and the professionals who are eager to deep dive into DevOps and SRE world. Doesn't matter whether you are from some other domain, you are from mechanical, chemical, any other domain, or you have been into support role. This series is the one-stop solution which will help you to understand the concepts of DevOps and SRE. We will look what are we going to cover, and at the end of this video, I'm very sure that you will feel confident and dedicate your time to solve the challenges from this series. Coming back to main curious question, how much I'm going to earn from this series? Nothing. This series is completely free. I'm doing it for the community. Only thing I'm expecting in return is the consistency and your growth. If you come with me on that, then this series is for you. Okay. So I'm going to make this series accessible for everyone who is passionate about learning, who is passionate about the DevOps, who is passionate about the SRE field. And this series you can access from anywhere in the world at any time. I will walk you through the steps, how to access the challenges, how to solve the challenges. If you get stuck, then how to ask for the help. That is also very much important. So primary goal of this series is very simple. We are going to focus on the hands-on learning, the practical real-world problems. We are going to build some awesome projects and help community grow together. So I have been saying a lot that season 2 is coming for the DevOps SRE Challenge series, but the wait is over. Season 2 is actually here, starting today. This is the announcement video of the season 2 of our daily DevOps SRE Challenge series. I'll tell you one more reason why I'm doing this. I personally feel people are behind because they are not consistent and they don't have the right mentor, they don't have the good community support, and that is where most of the people fail to keep the consistency, to find the right people around them, and to grow in their life. So we are building this free community where they will get the right guidance, they will get the right mentors, they will get the good real world challenges which will help them not only to excel in their interviews but to upskill and grow in their career as well. Okay. So what are we going to cover in this series? I'm very sure you will be surprised how many tools we are going to cover, and you will participate in the challenge because we are going to start with very basics, the minimal bare things which is required for a DevOps SRE, which is Git, GitHub, the Linux basics, networking basics. After that, we will move into the cloud. For cloud, we are going to use the AWS and the Azure. We are not going to keep this time only to limit to AWS because world is moving and we also need to move. World is moving to the multi-cloud and we can't get stuck on the AWS. Just because our favorite AWS service is EKS doesn't mean the project will only use the EKS. Sometimes we may need to prefer AKS. So we need to have the good understanding of when to use which tool or the service or the cloud. Considering all those factors, we have designed this series and the challenges. So this series is going to be the multi-cloud, multi-tool, and the alternatives for these two. Like I said, if we are going to cover the GitHub, but not limiting to that, sometimes you'll find the challenges for the GitLab or the Bitbucket as well. That's the main twist. After that, we are also going to cover some shell scripting, the Python scripting, which is required for the DevOps engineer. And moving ahead, we will cover the containerization. So in that, we'll cover the Docker, the enough Docker, which is required for the DevOps and SRE. We will also cover the container, which is another tool. We'll also explore the DevOps services on the cloud. Okay. And after that, we will cover the infrastructure as a code tools like a Terraform, Crossplane, and some other tools as well. Moving ahead, we will cover the observability entire stack, which means the everyone's favorite Prometheus, Grafana, ELK, EFK. As I said, not limiting to these free and open source tools, we are going to explore the enterprise services like Datadog, New Relic. We'll also explore the cloud-based observability services. And the current trend is moving to the open telemetry. I'm going to include that definitely. We are going to cover everything basics of Istio, Cilium, and then Nginx, whatever the usual DevOps tools people use. I also got the request, are we going to cover the DS questions in this series? Because sometimes interviewers ask the DS questions, write or reverse the linked list or something related to string-based questions or some questions on the array. Don't worry about that. We are going to cover every important TSC question which might get asked for the DevOps or SRE engineer. Are you happy? Are you surprised? Are you excited? Please let me know in the comments because I'm super pumped. I'm super happy with this series and the challenges. This is going to be super fantastic. When I announced this, I missed two very important tools, which was Jenkins and the Ansible. So my learners asked if I can include those two tools in this series. And when my learners asked me something, how can I deny them? I'm going to include the Jenkins and the Ansible in this series because people will say that Jenkins is gone, Ansible is gone, no one is using it. We don't want to keep any stone unturned when we are going for the interview. And that is the reason we are going to cover every tool which might get asked in the interviews or might get used in your project. Happy? So this is what we are going to cover. Oh, and this is our challenge series. It is not or never going to be theory. Please always remember that. So I'm going to include the enough theory for your interview preparation. Some challenges, very tricky challenges, which you won't find on the internet and you will have to scratch your head while solving those challenges. Okay. If you get stuck, how to ask for the help. So in the description, I dropped some links. The link for joining our Google group, link for joining our Discord channel where I'm active, our community members are active. You can ask help there as well anytime. Um, I'm going to post the challenge question on the YouTube every day. I'll explain how to solve that challenge, what is motive behind to give that challenge. Sometimes we'll find it very easy, but don't worry. I'm going to make it challenging one step at a time. So you need to keep solving all the challenges without any break. So every day you will get the challenge question, the explanation, the theory on the YouTube and on the Google group. And if you get stuck, as I said, you can ask help on our community channels, on the Discord, or in the comment section of that challenge YouTube video. Right? I hope that is enough. And if you still need help, you can always reach out to me on the LinkedIn. My name is Sagar.Utekar, and you will find me on the LinkedIn very clear. Okay. So why should you join this season two? This is specially designed for the freshers or someone who wants to move into the DevOps or SRE domain. I'm saying this because I want to give you some hope. But if you feel like you have already good experience and you want to brush up, then you can also join this series. I know some of people from the season one are waiting for the season two and are excited as well. So they already have the enough knowledge about these tools. But I would suggest them they can also solve this. So this is one-stop solution for your interview preparation. You can consider these as a brush up before going for the interview. After that, you really don't need to do any side projects or watch any other videos or anything. Okay, this is one stop. And if you are preparing for your certification exams like CK, CKD, AWS Solution Architect, Terraform, or maybe sometimes we'll try to include everything from the STO, Cilium, the Ansible certification. This series and the challenges will help you to clear all those exams from solving these challenges. That is enough, I guess. Okay, so this is going to be a structured one resource which you have been asking. Give me the DevOps roadmap, give me the SRE roadmap. My learners were asking, can they get real world the projects? They are not getting hands-on challenges anywhere. So this is solution. Please don't waste your time and start solving the challenges and the questions from this series as early as possible. So that is it for the today. Let's go big. I'm super pumped. I'm super happy, super excited for this journey. I'm consistent person and I want my students and the learners to be consistent. I want them to be focused and passionate about their careers and the growth. That is what I expect, and that is what I'm expecting from you. Um in return for the series. I hope that's not something which big I'm asking. If you feel like more learners can benefit from this series, please make sure like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, as well as share this news over social media platforms so more learners can join this free initiative which we are starting. So this is not my series. I always say this is our series, this is our community, and helping other learners to grow is our responsibility. Okay, so this season is going to be about all about the growth, the consistency, the excellence, and as I say, मेहनत रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. We are going to solve the daily challenges and learn together, grow together. Super excited. Okay. If you want to know the results, I have my Instagram channel. I keep on sharing the news from season one challenges. First, students have already shared the good results. They have cleared the CKS exam. They have cleared the CK exam, CKD exam. Few learners have also got the job offers. Few learners are getting help to clear their interviews. So, what else you expect from this series? Okay. So that is something which I wanted to cover in this video. And from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with the real challenges. Please keep sharing the news and help to grow this community together. I'll see you tomorrow again. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.